grab your coffee, grab your notebook, grab a cup of water, because this is going to be a really good tip for all of you. Yes, ChatGPT has given you the ability to add Canva as a plugin, and why not? As a real estate agent, we need to work faster. So, this is a really quick way you can start using Canva to help you think and help you start building the graphics you need for social media, or maybe a presentation, or maybe even your own website, or how about even a blog? So, here we go. Now, I will have to say, so I have the upgraded version of ChatGPT. So if you are still using the free version, you will have to upgrade to version 4. Now, once you do upgrade, you will have the ability to add the plugins. So you need to start here. So bottom left-hand corner, go ahead and click on where you would log in, and then, or where you would sign out. Bottom left-hand corner, and then choose where it says settings and beta. Once you choose settings and beta, really quickly click on the beta features, and then this is where you will need to choose that slider bar for plugins. Now, you might as well turn on the advanced data analysis. Why not? But for today, we're just going to talk about the plugins. Once you have added this option, you will then have the ability to add Canva and other plugins that you might want to use. So simply click on this drop down menu, and then scroll down if you don't have anything already added, and choose plugins. And then it's this simple. Search for Canva. Boom. Now, I will tell you that I added a few of the plugins, but I quickly learned that you can only have 3 in this drop down menu at a time. So you can see that I have Canva, I had turned on Kayak and Wikipedia. I haven't even tried the oh no, I have Zapier turned on. I haven't tried Kayak yet. I'll let you know, because I'm thinking this could be a great way to find flags. Maybe there's even one for Google. So pick a few, try them out, test them. We're going to work with Canva right out the gate. Now, what I also learned was, because I'm the data person, so I was throwing in data. I literally created this prompt. I'll show you. And I copy, cut, and pasted it. But Canva does not have the ability to create the actual graphic with my data yet. So, at least for the moment, the great thing about I'll say about using the upgrade, is that you will have the ability to think. So if you're the person that's always hunting over on Canva and you can't figure out, or you can't get your brain to say, you know what, which graphics should I use? You could just simply come to ChatGPT, chat.openai. You will have to upgrade in order to get this plugin. So you would just simply start to type. So let's go with, I want an infographic. So create an infographic that I can use as a real estate agent, to explain real estate data. There you go. Done. Well, kind of done. So what quickly happens is Canva is thinking and working with ChatGPT to try to figure out what graphics I might use. I also know that I would have to change the brand colors. I also realize I'm going to have to go add the data. But this is a really great way to start building content. Now, I did choose infographics. And when you create an infographic, it could be kind of long. So it might end up over on a blog post. It might end up on a website. It might even end up more on Facebook than some of the other pages, because this would be a lot to read in a story, a reel, or a YouTube short, or maybe even TikTok or Snapchat if you're still using it. But once you get the image that you like, and I really did, I like this one, even though I might even change some of the images, you could literally just come here and click on whichever one you like, and then Canva is launched. I mean, it really doesn't get any easier than this. So let's go test it. Let's go try it again. So now I'll come back to ChatGPT, and let's say create a social media post. I'm going to say for Instagram for a coming soon listing. I'll say as a real estate agent. I was really specific before, and I was like, nope, we got to keep it simple. So again, if you know you're going to be working on marketing and you're trying to think outside the box and your company doesn't create the marketing for you, and let me say, I am all for all of our companies creating the marketing, but sometimes we need to have the ability to maybe look a little bit differently than the other agents in the office. So, how do you like this? So I say leverage the fact that if you already have the upgraded version of ChatGPT, you can add the plugins. And it's as easy as going to the bottom left hand corner, making sure you go to settings, making sure you go to beta, turn on the plugin slider bar, and then add Canva. I will give you a tip, or I will tell you what could happen. If you have not cleared your cache, meaning under tools, more tools, take a few moments. You might have to clear your browsing data if the plugins aren't available and you're like, Carrie, it's not working. Because what you're going to say is, Carrie, it's not working. I am good for, I need to clear up the cache, and then it just worked easily. So look at this. Canva is still thinking, coming up with ways to help me market my coming soon listing. And here, let's just go with, I'll just pick the first one. And then what would I do if this was one of my new listings? I would, if I love it, I would click the background and I would change it to maybe the company colors. I would change this to my company logo. I own my own brokerage. I'm the designated managing broker. Let's see, where are my logos? There we go. Logo. I would add the company logo. Look at that. I would put the address. I would add the photo of the listing, maybe put my company website, and boom, I have a new coming soon image. All of this started right in ChatGPT. So start using it today. And let me know you're actually using the tool. I like to know that you're using it, it works, it's helping you. You are now a graphic designer. So keep me posted. Thank you for watching another episode of Learn to Earn with Carrie. If you like what you're learning, take a few minutes and subscribe to my YouTube channel and take a few minutes to go back in time and learn more about ChatGPT when you watch this video, or even this one where I talk to you and show you how I use data on ChatGPT to help me try to figure out how to lead generate in this. I would say we're trying to all figure out how to get unstuck, or how to help the seller realize that now might be a really good time to cash out.